The error port 80 in use by unable to open process with some PID usually means that something is using port 80, but Windows doesn't have permission to access the details of the process. To fix this, follow these steps. For this, go to Search and type Task Manager and open it. Then under Search on Task Manager, just copy down PID from XAMPP control panel as shown here. If you find any process running, then just right-click on it and end the task. In my case, Apache HTTP server is running, so I am closing that. Now, just click on Apache in MySQL server, and you won't see that error message again. Hope you like this. Please like, share, and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.